November, yeah, go ahead. Okay. Whiskey by November Echo, clear to Malacca via Point X-ray. The proceed before fell up to around 1,500 feet, looking clear of Whiskey, Kilo Mike 8, Scott 5173. Clear of Whiskey Mike Papa 8. November 5748 Echo, ready to taxi.
November 8 Echo, taxi Echo Charlie 3, hold short Echo Papa.
November 8 Echo, taxi via Echo Charlie 3, hold short Echo Papa. Okay. Hold short of there, okay. Alright, it's clear.
I heard it.
November 8 Echo, taxi Echo Papa, holding point Echo 1, runway 21.
Taxi via Echo Papa, hold at Echo 1, runway 21, November 8 Echo.
Mike Sierra Zulu, request the ATC clearance to Bali, Denpasar Airport, proposed flight level 410, information kilo, parking at Delta 56.
Run up.
Mike Sierra Zulu, confirm you're ready in the next 10 minutes.
Brake set, throttle control 1001.
We'll be ready in 10 minutes.
Mike Sierra Zulu, information.
Yeah, set the squawk.
QNH 100.
5173.
Information Lima, standby for ATC clearance.
Standing by, copy QNH 100,
Stores.
information Lima.
Okay.
Mike Sierra Zulu.
November 5748 Echo.
Autopilot. Autopilot. Disconnect.
November 8 Echo, go ahead.
And November 8 Echo, line up and wait runway 21 via Echo 1.
Wait first
1 minute.
November 8 Echo, give us 1 minute.
November 8 Echo, roger, line up clearance cancelled and advice ready.
November 8 Echo, will advise when ready.
November 8 Echo, line up clearance cancelled.
Clearance cancel, we'll call again November 8 Echo.
Okay, flight controls. Up. Right down. Right up. Left down. Elevator up. Elevator down. Flight controls free and correct. Magnetos is both. Seat belts, upright position. Okay. Cabin windows. Oh,
1
later.
minute.
Okay. Transponder. Later lah. Also auto. Auto hit not required. Landing side. On.
After clearance, usually
clearance.
after.
Okay. Strobe light. No need lah. Okay. Can. Then I just say ready. November 8 Echo, ready.
November 8 Echo, line up and wait runway 21 via Echo 1.
Line up and rate runway 21 via Echo 1, November 8 Echo. Lights, camera action. Okay, you can close the...
Window.
Coming.
Okay, signals is clear. Okay, runway is clear. No red light there.
Filter Tower, Scarlet 88, ready at Echo 1.
Scarlet 88, Filter Tower, hold at holding point Echo 1.
The holding point Echo 1, Scarlet 88.
November 8 Echo, surface wind 170 degrees, 7 knots, climb to 1,500 feet after departure, turn right for downwind, keep all turns within Seletar control zone, runway 21 cleared for takeoff.
November 8 Echo, runway 21 clear for takeoff. After takeoff, climb to 1,500 feet on the downwind. Right?
November 8 Echo, after departure, turn right for downwind.
After departure.
After departure, turn right for downwind, November 8 Echo.
November 8 Echo, affirm and to keep all turns within Seletar control zone.
Keep all turns within Seletar control zone, November 8 Echo. And
Scarlet 88, Seletar Tower.
Scarlet 88, go ahead.
Scarlet 88, expecting one jet inbound shortly, advise one circuit to land or to depart the training area.
One circuit to left.
okay, temperature, pressure is in the green.
Line up runway.
Airspeed is alive.
Line up runway 21 by Echo 1 Star 88.
Okay, rotate 60, yeah. Okay, 60, rotate slowly.
It's the tower, slot 92, Whiskey 1 holding point, ready.
Skylark 92, Seletar Tower, holding point Whiskey 1.
Hold holding point, Whiskey 1, Skylark 92.
Skylark 88, surface wind 180 degrees, 9 knots, runway 21, cleared for takeoff.
For takeoff, runway 21, Skylark 88.
Okay, 500 feet. Turn.
Skylark 92, line up and wait runway 21 via Whiskey 1.
Line up and wait 21, Skylark 92.
Okay, I turn again. At what point do we turn to point X-ray?
November 8 Echo, maintain 1,500 feet and set course for point X-ray, report over point X-ray.
November 8 Echo, maintain 1,500 feet, set course for point X-ray, will report when over point X-ray.
Alright, usually I Seletar Island, I will.
Okay.
Seletar Island, ah.
Yeah, lower.
Skylark 88 downwind to full stop.
Skylark 8, number 1.
Number 1, Skylark 88. Skylark 92, departing.
So you see the polo ground over there? Across the Johor?
Yeah.
Polo ground until the central area is Whiskey Mike Papa 238. It's a prohibited area.
Okay, is it shown on the map, just in case?
Yeah.
This red one, this
Yep.
one? Okay. November 8 Echo, over point X-ray.
November 8 Echo, maintain 1,500 feet and set course for Terbau City Mall. Keep clear of Whiskey Mike Papa 228. Contact Johor Tower 118.15.
November 8 Echo, keep clear of Whiskey Mike Kilo 228. Set course for Terbau City Mall. Contact Johor Tower 118.15.
November 8 Echo, negative. Keep clear of Whiskey Mike Papa 228.
Keep clear of Whiskey Mike Papa 228. November 8 Echo.
Affirm.
Yeah. Oh, the communication made me lose that. I forgot.
Skylark 88, surface wind 160 degrees, 9 knots, runway 21, cleared to land.
Good to land, runway 21, Skylark 88.
Okay, look outside. So Tebrau City Mall is there. This one you use for guidance.
Okay, where exactly is it?
You see IKEA, then beside on the left side there's a mall over there. That is Tebrau City Mall.
Oh.
This one is it?
Yep. Straight ahead.
Okay.
Switch radio, you remember to switch?
Oh.
Okay, tell them Johor Tower, good morning, November 574 Echo, 1,500. Tracking for Tebrau City Mall.
Okay. Johor Tower, good morning. November 5748 Echo, 1,500 feet, heading for Tebrau City Mall.
Good morning, November 574 Echo, Johor Tower. Clear to transit Johor Control Zone, 1,500. En route to Malacca, as per flight plan, Johor QNH 1008. Report again east of the airfield.
November 8 Echo, cleared into Johor Control Zone. Report went over Tebrau City Mall, 1,500 feet.
Unit 06, surface wind 150 degrees, 7 knots. Good for touch and go left and out.
1,500.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Number 575 Echo, maintain 1,500 by circuit active, 1,000 feet by Diamond 40.
Maintain 1,500, cockpit circuit active.
Maintain 1,500, copy circuit active, November 8 Echo.
So east of airfield, so you don't need to go to Felda, Ulu, Tebrau, you can cut to the east of airfield.
So here is it?
Yes, here. So there is a danger area,
Approaching waypoint.
this and that. So
Approaching waypoint.
it's clear.
Okay,
no
so
worries.
over already actually.
So the danger area is here.
Okay, where's the terminal again? I missed it. Terminal City Mall.
Below you.
Oh, here.
Yeah, I can see
you
it.
see
IKEA there. Okay.
Yes, opposite.
Okay, I can report already. Okay. November 8 Echo over Terminal City Mall.
Overhead. They use overhead.
November 48 Echo, copy. Maintain 1,500 feet. Clear for east of airfield initially.
November 8 Echo, maintain 1,500 feet. Track to east of airfield.
November 48 Echo.
Oh, VFR normally is very low, 1,005.
Yeah, after Kulai, you can ask for higher.
Okay.
Up to 5,000. The best, I leave it your comfort level. We
Okay.
can go about 3,000 above the clouds.
November 48 Echo, bebas aircraft turning left for left base runway 16 at 1,000 feet.
Copy
And
that.
clear to cross runway extended center line via south at this moment. Maintain 1,500 feet. Report again clear.
I didn't catch.
We'll call again crossing south of extended center line and copy traffic on base. We'll call again crossing extended center line, November 8 Echo.
48 Echo.
Okay, here the practice is when you cross the center line, they will ask you to inform them so that other traffic know that you are crossing the center line. So they clear us by the south already. So
Okay.
you can see the runway 34.
Yeah.
Okay, so slightly about 10 degrees to the left.
The left or the center line? Oh,
Yes. So once you're crossing the center line, it's like an imaginary line. You just tell them crossing extended center line.
so they say cross south of the runway, so
Yes.
below it, okay.
Correct.
When you say center line, means cross the runway center line, right?
Yep.
Okay.
November 48 Echo, whenever required, please estimate Kulai and cross runway extended center line now.
Approaching south of extended center line and estimate Kulai at 30, sir. November 8 Echo.
48 Echo, copy. And say again POB, few remaining.
3 POB and 3 hours.
Okay. 3 POB, 3 hours endurance, November 8 Echo.
Copy, 3 POB, 3 hours endurance.
Okay, just that I'm crossing southern extended center line. Will report Kulai.
Okay. November 8 Echo, crossing south of extended center line, will report when over Kulai.
November 48 Echo.
The Kulai heading is 284.
Alright.
Okay,
So
284.
284, if you cannot see, is yeah, right there. You see there's a water tank at the far end. Slightly, about 3 degrees to the right. Yep, just hit straight.
Okay.
So after that, you have to give okay, overhead Kulai and estimate Bernut, the time. So 25 and what?
12 minutes.
35 about
40.
yeah. So we estimate Bernut at 40.
40, okay. So I just overhead Kulai now.
Yep.
November 8 Echo, overhead Kulai, heading to Brno, estimate Brno in time 40.
November 5748, clear for Bernard. 40, confirm.
What did you say?
Affirm 40.
Affirm 40, November 8 Echo.
Hey, you
Approaching
must also
waypoint.
tell them you are maintaining 1,500. Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this one here, okay.
Okay, you want to go higher?
Can.
November 8 Echo request 3,000, 4,000 up to you.
3,000, okay.
3,000.
November 8 Echo, request 3,000 feet.
November 575 Echo, standby.
Only lah, yeah.
Okay, maintain heading. Huh?
November 574 Echo, approved for 3,000 feet, report maintaining.
November 8 Echo, clear for 3,000 feet, will report when maintaining. So, full power. Okay, so I say at 3,000 feet.
Maintaining 3,000.
November 8 Echo, maintaining 3,000.
November 8 Echo, go.
Did he just stand by or what?
He said copied, yeah.
Uni 06, downwind to land.
We set the Malacca Tower frequency right. The next one already at 118.0. This Bernode is a town, is it?
Yeah. You have to see there will be like a river, and there will be two water tank quite prominent. And Pulau Pisang. Yep.
Uni 06,
that is Bernode.
Uni
Is-
06,
That one, the big town over there.
Okay.
7 knots, runway 16.
Like that, I aim towards it. Okay, like that. Okay, I think close enough already. Okay, I can report lah. November 8 Echo, overhead Bernode 3,000 feet, we'll maintain 3,000 feet, heading to Batu Pahat, estimate time 57.
Copy, November 4 Echo, report Batu Pahat.
Report passing Batu Pahat, November 8 Echo.
Okay, later they will say no. Batu Pahat, if no join with Johor Tower, contact Malacca Tower lah. Sometimes some of them might stay. So what they are telling is at Batu Pahat you cannot contact me.
Yeah.
You call Malacca.
Okay.
Approaching waypoint.
Then at the Malacca Tower, what do I say? I say Malacca Tower
Okay, you
3,000.
call them first. Sometimes the range not there, they cannot pick up. So call them first. Malacca Tower, November 5748. So once they say they acknowledge you already, tell them you are tracking for Muar. They estimate for Muar, then 3 POB, then 3 hours endurance.
Okay.
That's not actually 3 hours.
So then we just say, will be, do we need to say report doing a landing?
Later we'll ask your intention.
Okay.
Then say for full start landing.
Okay.
So later in Malacca also, so after Muar, you have to, they ask to report Mumbai Jetty. I prefer Abim Pulau Besar. So I will tell them I will report Abim Pulau Besar.
But I don't know what is that, Pulau Besar.
Don't worry, don't worry. There's a small island, a lot of people go to play there.
Yeah.
So that one is about 10 minutes from Muar. Then Malacca is 5 minutes from there.
Okay.
This is Pulau Besar.
Okay.
So 10 minutes from Muar, 5 minutes. So at Malacca, sometimes if the traffic is heavy, they can ask you to hold east of Mumbai Jetty. No, sorry, east of Bukit Beruang. So there will be a hill, a small hill before the airport. So they will ask you east. So east, just whole east of Bukit Beruang.
Okay. I think you need to point out the hill to me.
Yep.
I wouldn't know the name.
No problem.
I just curious, what's the joining procedure for Malacca?
Joining?
How do you like, how join?
Okay,
Yeah.
there are 2 ways. Either they clear you direct base for runway 03.
Okay, runway 03 is this way, okay?
Yep.
Oh,
So
direct
that
base
one,
as it
direct right base, or if not, you overfly the runway, then you join left downwind.
Okay.
So here hill, I afraid of clouds also. Because got terrain, you see.
Okay. How high is the hill?
About 2,400 if I'm not wrong.
Okay. So 1,500 is a bit dangerous, what?
It is. But you can go through the hill or you go the other side.
Oh.
You really find it dangerous, you can go cut in there. This way also can.
In.
Yeah. Okay, now call them
Overhead
November 8 Echo, approaching Batu Pahat 3,000. Estimate more at
15
10.
Oh, 10. Okay. November 8 Echo, approaching Batu Pahat. Estimate time at more time 10.
Number 4 Echo Coffee, contact Malacca Tower 118.0.
Contact Malacca Tower 1180, November 8 Echo. Contact Malacca Tower already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sierra 133, tangkap 1,000 feet and below, estimate ruang 20.
So you're always forgetting the height.
Oh.
It's also my issue.
IFR no need to report height.
Oh.
Academy 10 Tower.
Academy 10, go ahead.
Academy 10 advise, between now is 200 degree.
So say Malacca Tower, November 574 Echo, good morning first.
Yep.
And overhead Batu Pahat, 3,000 feet.
Yep. Then estimate 10 past the hour. Or you can say 0310.
Oh, can I say time 10? Cannot. Can.
Yeah, because 10 is past the hour, right? Or you can just say 0310 UTC. No issue.
0310, okay. Malacca Tower, November 5748 Echo, good morning.
133 combined, position now.
Vira 133, knock out 1000 feet and below, ma'am, and estimate
combined.
Cannot hear us, I think.
Vira 133 combined, Malacca Tower.
Vira 133, go ahead, ma'am.
The heading is
Vira 133 combined.
307.
133, just pass Tangkak 1000 feet, estimate Kluang 20.
Vira 133 combined, if you read me at Pago to contact Kluang 122.14.
We heard you, ma'am. We Pago, we call Kluang 122.4. Vira 133.
Yeah, try again.
Yep.
Malacca Tower, November 5748 Echo, good morning.
Okay, fly, Never mind, I have you with this test fly, Malacca Tower, good morning, November 5748 Echo.
How come you can't hear us?
Cannot hear us,
Malacca Tower, good morning, November 5748 Echo.
The hill over there.
Okay, then track straight to the hill.
So, the signal cannot reach there,
Yep.
Oh, still too far.
Malacca Tower, November 5748 Echo.
November 5748 Echo, Malacca.
November 5748 Echo at 3,000 feet. Estimate time over more at 0310.
November 5748 Echo, clear enter Malacca control zone, maintain 3,000 feet. Malacca QNH is around 1008, runway 21 in use.
November 8 Echo, QNH 1008, clear into Malacca control zone, runway 21 in use. November 8 Echo.
November 5748 Echo, say again estimate MOA and request your POV endurance.
Break, give me on 5 shot final.
Okay, 0310, 3 POV, 3 hours endurance.
November 8 Echo, estimate time over more 0310, 3 POV, 3 hours endurance.
748 Echo, say again estimate MOA and request your POV endurance.
Ma'am, estimate MOA 0310, 3 POV, 3 hours endurance. November 8 Echo.
Repeat, say again estimate for MOA.
0310, ma'am. November 8 Echo.
Kennedy 16 approaching Chin Chin, switching over the ground.
Because the signal is quite weak.
Yeah.
316, November 5748 Echo, Malacca Tower.
November 8 Echo, go ahead.
November 5748 Echo, any favor, sir, to check position for Vira 133 combined?
Copied, ma'am. Affirm call sign Vira 133 combined.
Affirm, Vira 133 combined.
Break, November 5748 Echo to Vira 133 combined. Vira 133, November 5748 Echo, request Malacca Tower requesting your position. Vira 133 combined, November 5748 Echo. Malacca Tower, November 5748 Echo. Ma'am, no join with Vira 133 combined.
Copy, thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
I don't get what just happened.
They ask you to check position. It's like a relay message. Because of the blind spot, they cannot receive them. So we are on the air, they ask us to check.
Oh, so the 133 combined is the aircraft.
1000 feet, estimate the node 019 of 19.
That one is...
Miura one, should you combine that? Oh, that is the one.
That one is, I think, is
Malacca Tower, Manini 05, how do we?
Unit 05, November 575 Echo, relay your message.
Okay, sir, approaching Batu Pahat this time, 08, maintaining 1000, estimate burnout 23.
Break, November 5748 Echo, relay message for Unit 05, they are approaching Batu Pahat 1000 feet and estimate burnout at 23.
November 5748 copied, and for Unit 05, contact Johor 118.15.
Break, November 8 Echo, Unit 05 to contact Johor Tower 118.15.
Alright, copy, Unit 05, thank you.
Welcome.
09 Papa, couple visual traffic rolling this time.
So this is how we help each other.
09
Oh.
Papa, standby, break, Academy 15, say again.
Oh, I wouldn't know how to do that.
Academy 15, copy your intention, Cape Bravo.
So after that, is after more is already direct.
748 Echo, advice landing area Alpha and Bravo is active 3000 feet and below.
Copy, ma'am. Request descent to 2000 initially, November 8 Echo.
2500 feet initially, be advised 1 Piper 28 is leaving landing area for Umba Jetty at 2000 feet. Number 2 tracking Umba Jetty at 1500 feet.
Copy, ma'am. Affirm cleared 2500, November Echo.
Affirm 2500 feet initially.
Leaving 3000 for 2500, November Echo.
November 5748 Echo, overhead more 2500 feet, estimate a beam Ulapasa time 21.
November 5748 Echo.
Approaching waypoint.
Say again, ma'am. November Echo.
Number 5748 Echo, report a beam Pulau Besar.
Call again a beam Pulau Besar, November Echo. Oh, Pulau Besar, just fly straight, huh?
Okay. Pulau Besar is that one, is it? Okay.
A beam only.
Okay.
So they want to coordinate the traffic into the aerodrome. So that one is like a reporting point.
Okay.
Correct.
710, maintaining 3000.
Yeah, you can maintain heading 305. No need to go.
And report setting course.
This is straight ahead, Bukit Broang. There's a small hill.
Okay, I can see that hill straight ahead.
See my, they just
descend 2000 feet.
descend 2000.
Okay, descend to 2000 feet, November Echo.
November 5748, maintain 2000 feet, clip Bukit Broang Pool, runway 21, crash 1008, for establish.
Call again, establish Bukit Broang, hold 1008, November 8 Echo.
Oh, what did you say?
Bukit Broang, hold Bukit Broang.
Oh, hold here. So need to turn ah. Oh.
No,
For visual with traffic, Kamasi Dorang.
Good morning, Academy.
Where do we hold ah?
Ready at Bravo.
Near to the hill.
Brown in the hill.
Correction Academy 150, hold position.
Hold position, Academy 150.
So the runway is behind the hill.
Okay.
Okay, there's a,
Academy 17, hold Bukit Broang 1500 feet.
they're holding Bukit Broang 2000.
Bukit Broang
Never mind, I do the radio call, November 8 Echo, holding Bukit Broang 2000.
November 8 Echo, hold Bukit Broang 2000 feet.
Hold Bukit Broang 2000, November 8 Echo. Okay, look out for the traffic below.
The traffic is 1005, right?
Yeah.
For visual.
Oh, I see, yes.
Okay, just follow him,
XL 0657, short finals for Tashigo.
XL 0657, runway 21, clear for touch and go.
Clear for Tashigo, runway 21, XL 0657. Academy 05 X-ray, downwind, to land.
So just follow that, turn that direction.
Yep.
Number 3, Academy 05 X-ray.
What aircraft is that,
Correction, ma'am, Academy 05 X-ray, downwind for Tashigo.
Academy 05 X-ray, number 3.
Number 3, Academy 05 X-ray.
Viper or Diamond?
No, one more there.
No, that one departing.
Departing, okay.
Yeah, just follow him.
Academy 11, downwind to land.
Academy 11, number 3.
Number 3, Academy 11.
XL10, leaving overhead, beacon outbound 3,500 feet.
I just want to give him visual.
XL10 descend 1,600 feet, report casting up.
Okay, he's over there. Okay.
2100, X10.
XL10 correction descend 2,100 feet, report set inbound.
To 2,100 feet, report set inbound XL10.
Then I turn right.
November 5748 Echo, remain Bukit Beruang, descend 1,500 feet.
Remain Bukit Beruang, descend 1,500, November 8 Echo.
So, just descend only.
Yeah. November 8 Echo, maintaining 1,500.
November 5748 Echo.
XL10, short final, 2.5 knots, intention to land.
XL10, continue push.
Continue push, XL10.
November 5748 Echo, maintain 1,500 feet, clear join right hand, downwind, runway 21.
Maintain 1,500, clear, join right hand, downwind, runway 21, November 8 Echo. Okay, just start across.
Power, give me 17 sequence, please.
Signaling again?
Okay, 17 request sequence.
You're on number 3 now.
Confirm we follow XL106.
Enemy 16, vacate Delta.
Delta 16.
Enemy 17, you are follow XL08.
You just cut through the...
Yep.
Dear position, please, okay, 17.
XL08 position.
Final 3 miles, XL08. Thank you, okay, 17.
So we will...
Break back, XL10, short
Runway.
Okay.
XL101, clear with Delta. Space wind, like invertible, runway 21, clear to land.
Land runway 21, X10.
November 5748 Echo, report established early downwind, runway 21.
Well, call again, establish early downwind, runway 21, November 8 Echo.
November 8 Echo, advise currently 2 in circuit at 1,000 feet. And currently both aircraft on final.
Cockpit ma'am, November 8 Echo.
When you say early down means I go here and turn.
Bingo, confirm.
Alpha, my max XL08.
XL081 clearing Echo, surface wind like invertible, runway 21, clear for touch and go.
Touch and go, XL08.
Yeah, just threshold cut across,
What's the threshold here?
They are maintaining 1,500 feet.
Enemy 7214, hold Columbia, 1,000 feet.
Okay, here.
Columbia, 1,500, Academy 7214.
Maintain 15, Okay.
Where do we turn?
Alona. You got any traffic?
I don't see any.
On C2.
Academy 073, we are ready for medium.
Enemy 17, final, confirm.
Academy 172 mile final to land.
Enemy 17, space wind 200 degrees 08 knots, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21, clear to
Do I descend?
17.
Oh, yeah.
Nope.
Enemy 07, X-ray, behind the landing traffic on final, runway 21, line up behind.
Landing traffic on final, line up runway 21 behind Academy 07 X-ray.
November 8 Echo, early downwind position 1,500, visual one aircraft outwind.
November 5748 Echo, affirm, I have inside, clear descent, second height.
Clear descent, second height, November 8 Echo.
1 feet, right? 1,000. Okay. Next. Full rate.
November 5748 Echo, clear descent 1,000 feet, you are number 2, number 1 at final, coming to land.
Position number 2, visual with number 1, November 8 Echo.
Leaving altitude.
Okay, we got a beam ready, then you can, below 110 can step stand already.
Yep.
110, step stand.
Okay, don't turn first, your traffic. Okay, he's for landing also. Give it some time.
Okay, continue descending. Or when do we turn the...
Yeah, you can go 800. Follow.
Kevin 7214, maintain 1,500 feet, join right hand downwind, runway 21.
Maintain 1,500
Okay, turn
feet,
base.
join your hand downwind, runway 21, Academy 7214.
Oh, there's a bit. Okay, below 85, flap 20.
Yeah, keep 1,500.
07 X-ray, full position.
Say again, Academy 07 straight.
Yeah.
And full position, stand by for lining up.
We will cancel line up and hold current position, Academy 07 straight.
Copy, be advised, one traffic is turning short final this time.
Copy, Academy 07 straight.
Kevin 17 vacate via Delta.
Delta, Kevin 17.
ARB more power.
Yep.
November 5748 Echo, and be advised surface speed 100 degrees 10 knots, runway 21, clear to land.
21, clear to land. Bed Echo.
Okay, that's 30.
Stay behind the landing, sir. Cessna 172 on final, line up, runway 21 behind.
Behind landing traffic, line up, runway 21 behind Academy 07 X-ray.
XL 08, right hand downwind for touch and go.
08, number 2, number 1 traffic final.
Number 2, number 1, transfer final, XL 08.
Power, reduce power.
Kevin 7214, and report established downwind.
Back to Memphis.
Reduce a bit.
Yep. Right, rudder.
Tower, Academy 15.
Kevin 15, Michael Tower.
Academy 15, at Bravo, request station back to Memphis.
Copy, and hold at Bravo initially.
Hold Bravo initially, Kevin 15.
Okay.
Nice, off and nice landing.
Where to...
November 5748 Echo, and continue taxi, and vacate via Alpha.
Vacate Alpha, right, Bed Echo. Right, and near
Right.
the threshold, on the left side.
Okay, right then.
Academy 7214, downwind right to land.
Okay, 7214 have inside descent ticket height, number 2, number 1 base.
Descent circuit height, number 2, Academy 7214.
Academy 07 XP, and
Malacca Ground, Academy 10, good afternoon.
Yeah, I go past and stop.
Academy 10, good afternoon.
Academy 10, request taxi for Romeo 239 Alpha 1 to POB 0330 endurance in 9 Mike Sierra Kilo Charlie with information Echo 1008.
Academy 10, cleared off Sierra Kilo, Quebec. Taxi heading point Charlie, runway 1.
Taxi holding point Charlie,
You know how to
Just say Malacca Ground, November 574 Echo, the
vacated Alpha.
Vacate Alpha. Malacca Ground, November 574 Echo, Vacate Alpha.
November 5748 Echo, taxi for GA apron, park next to the Diamond.
Taxi GA apron, park next to the Diamond, November 8 Echo. How to we go this way or?
Yeah, R1. Be careful, huh?
So turn right first, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No. Yeah, arrow. Follow the arrow.
This arrow.
Yep.
Oh, it's very near.
You want me to help?
Okay, you do. Yeah.
Just let me check clear, wing clear.
Clear.
The wings higher lah, can.
Wings higher.
Oh.
Malacca ground, November 574 Echo, ready for ATC clearance.
November 5748 Echo, you are cleared to Seletar, Black Pen Route, initially 5,000 feet, Eric NH 1003, transponder 2173.
Okay, so cleared to Seletar, as per flight plan route, 5,000 feet, QNH 1003, squawk 2173, November 5748 Echo.
November 5748 Echo, start approved, runway 21, temperature 31, QNH 1007.
Noted startup approved runway 21, QNH 1001, November 8 Echo. Sorry, 1007, November 8 Echo. Clear, bro.
Dine on Skyview.
Okay, request taxi.
Malacca ground.
Request to Devo side from gate 1 via perimeter route, 2 vehicle.
AT approved via perimeter to Devo.
Copy, thank you.
Okay, now go.
Okay.
Sorry.
November 5748 Echo Malacca ground, confirm calling.
Affirm, request taxi.
Affirm, request taxi, November 8 Echo.
November 5748 Echo taxi, holding point Alpha, contact tower 118.0. Good day.
Taxi holding point Alpha, contact tower 118.0. Thank you, November 8 Echo.
Okay.
Just hold over here first.
Further down, further down. Okay. Just switch over to tower first. Okay, hold.
I'll do the run-up check.
Yep.
Okay, parking brake set.
Just tell them Malacca Tower, November 5748 Echo, at holding point Alpha ready.
Okay. Malacca Tower, November 5748 Echo, at holding point Alpha ready.
Number 5748 Echo, Malacca Tower, good afternoon, hold position.
Hold position.
Hold position, November 8 Echo.
November 5748 Echo, taxi backtrack line up runway 21.
Line up runway 21, November 8 Echo.
00.
Taxi backtrack. Okay, no matter, it's okay.
All station, latest QNH 1006.
1006.
QNH 1006, November 8 Echo.
Taxi backtrack.
Yeah, still long way. You want me to help you?
It's okay. I need
okay,
to.
Yeah, a bit, speed up a bit. Yeah, make a 180.
Okay, over here.
Academy 12, ready holding point Charlie.
Academy 12, Malacca Tower, hold position.
Hold position,
November Echo ready.
Number 5748 Echo, climb via SID Ogako 1 Romeo departure, initially 2,500 feet, runway 21, cleared for takeoff.
Affirm Ogako 1 Delta 2500, November Echo.
Number 5748 Echo, correction, climb via SID Ogako 1 Romeo departure, initially 2,500 feet, runway 21, cleared for takeoff.
Ogako 1 Romeo, 2500, runway 21, clear for takeoff, November 8 Echo.
Number 8 Echo.
Clear for takeoff, huh?
Yeah.
For takeoff ready.
Academy 10 Alpha, report Bukit Gambit, 3,500 feet.
Okay, 60 knots, rotate. EX.
Malacca ground, correction, Malacca Tower, Academy 07 X-ray, holding point Charlie, and we are ready.
Academy 07 X-ray, line up and wait runway 21.
And wait runway 21, Academy 07 X-ray. May 14 and stop, climbing away and joining crosswind.
Academy 14.
Tower November Echo, ma'am, request direct Ogako, passing 3,400.
Stand by. November 8 Echo, report passing 4,500 feet, initially via Ogako Romeo.
November 8 Echo.
Braga Tower, Excel 08, holding Echo Point range.
Number 5748 Echo, report level passing.
3,700, November 8 Echo.
Number 5748 Echo, approve track direct Ogaku and report passing 5,000 feet.
Direct Okago, and I will call again passing 5,000, November 8 Echo. Okay, direct Okago.
To what direction now?
Excel 08, good afternoon, holding point Echo ready.
Okay, 122.
Excel 08, good afternoon, hold position.
Hold position, Excel 08. Academy 10 Alpha, overhead Gigampe 0727, estimate Pulau Besar 0740, maintaining 3,500 feet.
Academy 10 Alpha, report Pulau Besar 3,500 feet.
Report Pulau Besar 3,500 feet, Academy 10 Alpha.
Okay, you're flying here.
Ogako.
Okay, you cannot.
87 miles inbound.
Left, right.
2,100 feet.
All correct.
Academy 087 Minima, report 5 miles inbound.
Yeah.
1 mile, report 5 miles inbound, Academy 3.
November Echo passing 5,000.
Number 5748 Echo, contact Lampu Radar 134.3.
134.3, thank you, good day, ma'am. November 8 Echo.
Excel 08, expedite taxi back track line up runway 21.
Expedite back track line up runway 21, Excel 08.
Lampu Radar, good afternoon, November 5748 Echo, climbing 7,000, squawk 2173.
Number 5748 Echo, Lampu Radar, climb 7,000 feet, air Greenwich is 1003.
7,000, 1003, November 8 Echo. The wind is from the right side, it's pushing us in. Slightly more is okay.
300.
6414 from the adjustment, fly heading 300.
Heading 300, request 6414.
Lampu 553-129ers, put down squawk 0141, climb passing level 129 for level 160.
Flight 3129, Lampu Radar spot the point, confirm squawk 0141.
Confirm sir, 553-129.
Flight 3129 identified cross level 160, clear to Subang via Gupta 1 mic runway 15.
Clear to Subang via Gupta 1 mic runway 15, 553-129.
Gupta 424 Lampu.
Do we need to inform them we reach 7,000 feet?
424 Lampu.
So after Okako, Topo is 118, huh?
118, huh? Okay.
Yeah. All correction.
Okay.
Okako is still 2.8 miles.
Ogako, is it a landmark or something?
It's a waypoint, GPS waypoint.
Okay. Are we over Ogako, right?
1 nautical relax.
Approaching waypoint.
Okay. They prompt you.
Okay.
So another 25 seconds, you go roll to the
left. 118.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Malaysian 619, leaving flight level 2504210.
Malaysian 619.
Yep.
Right. I just follow this line now. Okay. Because I put you want to go 118, right? It's time.
Yeah, don't worry.
Just follow this line, can.
Number 5748 Echo, request estimate Arama.
Step by sir. 17 plus 9 is what?
17 plus 9 is 26.
26. November Echo estimate Arama at 0810.
Number 5748 Echo, copy 0810, thank you.
Okay.
Number 5748 Echo, request your flight plan after Arama.
Arama, Masni, Sinjan, Ponjo, Rechi for Seletar, sir, November 8 Echo.
Number 5748 Echo, can you say again, sir?
Mike Alpha Sierra November India, then Sierra Juliet, Ponjo, Rechi, Seletar, November Echo.
Number 5748 copy. After Masni will be Seletar, confirm?
Sinjan, sir, Sinjan VOR, Sierra Juliet, Ponjo, Rechi, Seletar, November Echo.
Number 578 Echo, request your heading after Arama.
Heading 118, sir, November 8 Echo.
Number 5784 Echo, be advised from Singapore, after Arama, expect radar vector.
Copy, sir, no issues, November 8 Echo.
What is yours?
Radar vectors. So they will give us heading to fly.
Okay, after Topo. Okay.
After Arama. I want 130.
Okay.
Maintain 130. And 7,000.
Okay.
Okay, level off now. Level off now. Okay? You cannot wait until 130, then you will overshoot.
Like about
then
10%. Like, 133 like that.
Okay, for 30 degrees turn, it's about 10 degrees. So anything less than that, about 5 degrees, you slowly level off.
Number 5748 Echo Lampo.
November Echo, go ahead, man.
Number 5748, contact Singapore 124.6, alternate frequency 133.25.
124.6, 133.35, November Echo. Thank you, good day, man.
133.25.
133.25, November 8 Echo. 1246, right?
Yeah, 1246, 133.25. Come here,
Singapore approach, November 5748 Echo, maintaining 7,000, squawk 2173.
Number 5748 Echo identified QNH 1005 and leave Arama heading 150.
105 and leave Arama 150, November 8 Echo.
Number 8 Echo confirm and expect visual approach for Seletar via Sinjan, Ponjo, Rechi.
Visual approach for Seletar via Sinjan, Ponjo, Rechi, November 8 Echo.
Number 5748 Echo Singapore approach.
November 8 Echo, go ahead, ma'am.
Okay, be advised the wind for Seletar runway 03 is 150 degrees, minor knots. Are you able to accept?
FM, we are able to accept November 8 Echo.
November 48 Echo, roger. And November 48 Echo confirm turning right heading 150.
We are
approaching
Arama and turning 150, November 8 Echo.
November 8 Echo, roger, expect visual approach runway 03.
November 8 Echo.
Enter 972, contact Singapore radar 134.4.
1344, line 7, line 725.
Okay, now. 150.
150.
Low level. You cannot wait until 150, then you low level. After you go to 155. So you will be like snake.
Okay.
So, okay, now roll level slowly. A small correction.
Do you mind take over for a minute? I want to take some photos also.
Sure.
Is your controls?
Yeah, my control.
Number 48 Echo report heading.
November Echo 150, man.
November 48 Echo, observe on radar to be on about a track of 135.
Heading 150, man. November Echo.
Roger, number 8 Echo for track adjustment, turn right heading 165.
165, November Echo.
Because of crosswind, right?
Yeah.
Do a quick one. Okay, my control.
Hold on.
Oh, your control on,
Okay, your control.
Yeah, my controls. 165, huh?
The crosswind is 20 knots.
Oh. Can you see from here? Oh.
So for your IFR, you not only need to fly the heading, you need to...
This one and communicate some more.
What was the heading given?
165.
So communication, then your chart you need to brief me. So anything you have to talk. But this time I help you because already. So now you got better
understanding. 64, turn right heading 015.
Heading 015, but exit 4.
Number 5748 Echo, turn left heading 155.
Left heading 155, November Echo.
Sorry, you take over one.
Prosper 836, descend
Is your
4,000
control?
feet, expedite through 6,000.
Okay, no.
Descend 4,000, expedite 6,000 feet, Prosper 836.
That's twice already.
Yeah, this twice already.
Approach November Echo.
Number 8 Echo, approach.
Request direct Ponjo when able.
Number 8 Echo, turn left now, heading 110.
Left heading 110, November Echo.
Number 8 Echo, descend to 4,000 feet.
Descend 4,000, November Echo.
Batik 7151, turn left heading 340.
Heading 340, Batik 7151.
Batik 7151, turn further left heading 330.
Further left 330, heading Batik 7151.
Alright. Ken?
Okay.
Cannot let me know.
I know. 7151, descend to 4,000 feet.
My controls?
Batik 7151.
Batik 7151, contact Singapore arrival 119.3.
What's the...
Arrival 119.3, good day, ma'am. Batik 7151.
Good day.
4,000. You still got 1,500 to go. So don't pull up.
Number 48 Echo, turn right heading 120.
Right heading 120, November 8 Echo. Okay, reach level.
Number 5748 Echo, proceed direct to Ponjo and reclear expect visual approach runway 21.
Direct Ponjo and expect visual approach for runway 21, November 8 Echo. Okay, Ponjo heading 060.
Oh, it's 060?
Yeah, Ponjo.
Oh, this is a nice view one.
Descend to 3,000 feet, Batang QNH 1007.
Direct for approach, runway 21.
Channel Ponjo 07 for Batam, Prosper 836.
Okay, Ponjo,
Prosper 836, contact under Penang approach 130.2.
And Penang 1302, Prosper 836, thank you.
Okay. Number 48 Echo, confirm descending to 4,000 feet.
Affirm. Hey, you got to reduce, huh? Go down.
Number 48 Echo, say again.
Descending to 4,000, ma'am. November Echo.
Number 8 Echo, Roger, contact Palembang, approach 127.7.
Palembang 127.7. Good day, November Echo.
Okay.
Descend, my friend, at least 500 feet.
Okay.
Lufthansa 790, descend to 7,000 feet.
Lufthansa 790, descend to 7,000 feet.
Palembang approach, November 574 Echo, descending to 4,000, direct Ponjo.
Number 57 Echo, Palembang approach and maintain correction. Descend 4,000 feet, track for Poncho QNH 1005.
Descend 4,000, Ponjo and 1005, November 8 Echo.
And November 8 Echo, you can expect to position for right downwind, finals run correction. Right downwind, runway 21 for 1,500 feet for Seletar.
Right downwind for runway 21, 1,500, November 8 Echo. Yep, fixed level. Okay, you see the Pasir Panjang there?
Yeah.
Straight, yeah. Straight. Okay, you got to really scan, you have a lot of information. So you cannot be fixate on one.
Yeah.
Approaching altitude.
4,004.
So you see this, the arrow, that means you need to go left. Just follow the needle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, enough. So once it come in, then make the adjustment.
Oh, it's all the plus fuel tank.
Slightly to the right.
November 574 Echo, descend 2,500 feet, track for Poncho Rechi. You can expect to position for right downwind, runway 21 at 2,500 feet for Seletar.
2,500, Ponjo, Rechi, for right downwind, runway 21, Seletar, November 8 Echo. Okay, we are cleared 2,500,
Okay.
So keep descending.
There's a CBD in the front.
So Sinton is there lah.
St. John, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
They have a VOR there.
Okay.
These are all the refinery.
3,000.
2,500.
Yeah, I know.
500 to go.
Approaching altitude.
I see the greenery and the islands like very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so Rechi is 033.
Okay.
So next heading after Ponjo is 033.
Okay.
Palembang approach, good afternoon, Sky joining area Alpha. Hi, Palembang approach, 1 fixing area Alpha and track for area Alpha West report established.
Require service area Alpha, Sky.
Sky 7 track for area Alpha West, sir.
Area Alpha West, sir.
Okay, 100 to go.
Approaching
Okay.
waypoint.
Level off.
This is over the city center already.
Yeah, reduce power a bit.
Huh? Reduce power.
97 copied and climb for Bravo Charlie within area Alpha West.
Bravo Charlie,
within area Alpha West,
97.
That's a CBD. Fine.
You want me to fly? You can take pictures.
Oh, okay, yeah, for your... yeah, this one is very limited
Number 8
opportunity.
Echo, continue track for Poncho, correction, Rechi, descend 1,500 feet.
Rechi and descend 1,500, November 8 Echo.
Okay. Chi, right? 03.
Yep, let's fly straight.
Okay.
$1,500.
1,500?
Yep.
150.
Seletar runway is straight ahead.
Okay.
It says establish area Alpha High, Alpha West.
Hello, 7, copy.
That's the runway, right?
Yep.
See there?
Yep.
November 8 Echo, are you visual Seletar Airfield to your 12 o'clock range 6 miles, sir?
Affirm, sir. Visual, November 8 Echo.
November 8 Echo, copy. Track for Rechi, thereafter Seti.
Rechi Seti, November 8 Echo.
November 8 Echo, affirm, contact Seletar Tower 118.45.
Tower 118.45.
Approaching altitude.
November Echo, copy.
Approaching waypoint.
Seletar Tower, November 575 Echo, good afternoon, tracking for Rachi Seti, 1500.
Number 5748 Echo, Seletar Tower. Confirm Seletar runway inside.
Affirm, inside, November Echo.
Number 5748 Echo, Roger, and to maintain 1,500 feet, the position for right downwind, runway 21 via SETI. Information, Sierra QNH 1005.
1005 and position for right downwind for runway 21 via SETI, November 8 Echo. Okay, SETI is there.
What's the heading?
Okay, the heading is 010.
Skyline 1, Seletar Tower, holding point with T1.
All okay. Maintain 1500. Big slope. I just on the stroke for them to see. Okay, yep, this direction is good. OCC here. Maintain 1500.
Number 8 Echo to descend for visual approach runway 21.
Descend for visual approach runway 21. Remember 8 Echo.
Scala 81, Seletar Tower, line up runway 21.
Line up runway 21, Scala 81.
Okay, now normal plan.
Okay. Oh, so bumpy.
Because you're having tailwind.
This is landing down, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I check. I gas set to both, undercarriage full reach, propeller starts fasten, landing lights on.
Yeah, on.
Okay.
Okay, don't convert.
Tower, Scala 92, Whiskey 1 holding point ready.
Stand by. Scala 81, surface in 180 degrees, 10 knots, runway 21.
Okay, your aim point the
crane there, the first crane, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, you are still high, right?
Scala 76 ready.
Don't reduce so much.
Leaving altitude.
Don't dive down. Don't dive down.
Seletar Tower, Scala 76 ready.
Scala 76, Seletar Tower, stand by. Big 6, Scala 92, Seletar Tower,
You are
line up runway
converging,
21.
your base will be very short.
Okay.
And you are also high now. Okay, what else can you do? What else can you do?
And my. Oh, that's. Okay.
Check
so now
the speed
speed
first.
below 110. Let's 10.
Yeah. Okay, one more stage of lap. Okay, hold on.
Haven't yet. Must be
85 below.
Scala 92, surface wind 190 degrees, 10 knots, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 21, Scala 92.
Okay, I turn to base.
Remember, I go later on to left.
Number 8 Echo, continue approach runway 21.
Continue approach. Runway 21. Remember, I go.
Scala 81 departing.
Finally, I do.
Number 5748 Echo, surface wind 190 degrees, 9 knots, runway 21, clear to land.
Check to land, November 8 Echo.
Add in a bit of power. Yeah.
Scala 81 switching to bilateral approach 127.7.
Scala 81.
Okay, maintain 65 knots.
Okay, 5 knots.
Yeah. Power don't decrease, because you. Center line. Power bit.
Scala 92 departing.
Power. See speed go down, power. Clear to land, right?
Clear to land.
Okay, center line. Up, up, so that your speed stable. Okay, hold on. Power reduce slowly. Okay. Center line.
Approach 127.
Idle. And up, up.
Scala 76 to Delta Tower, line up runway 21.
Line up runway 21, Scala 76.
Okay, vacate Echo 2.
Okay, request vacate Echo 2?
Yep.
Request vacate Echo 2?
November 5748 Echo, Roger, vacate Echo 2.
Vacate Echo 2, November 8 Echo.
November 8 Echo, contact Seletar ground 121.6.
121.6, thank you. November 8 Echo.
No need, thank you all here. Jeff will start to scold you, no. Okay, 1001. After landing checks.
Seletar ground, November 5748 Echo, ready for taxi.
574 Echo, Seletar ground, stand Alpha 54 taxi via Echo Papa.
Stand Alpha 54 via Echo Papa, November 8 Echo.
What ready for taxi? You are not like taxiing out for the start of the lesson or navigation. So tell them you are Echo 2, get ready.
Echo 2?
Right there again. The multi-engine.
Did you take pictures just now?
Okay.